Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with the Steals and Deals video. This video, though, is going to be mainly focused on the huge It's BOGO time sale at Spellbinders. I'll talk about a few other little sales too, but the BOGO sale, that's what this video is really going to focus on. In the middle of me working on this Gnome Drive collection, here is a sneak peek of Gnome Drive. Isn't this adorable? I love this so much. I am madly in love with Dancing Halloween, but Gnome Drive, the cuteness. Notice the clouds too. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did this green cloud. Distress Oxide, dye inks, much easier to make and blend with this. So I'll show you in that video coming up shortly. But I just wanted to show you I'm taking a break to get into this video. But look at the gnome. Yeah. So I will put a link for the new collections as well in this video. Before I get into all the fabulousness with this BOGO sale, don't forget at Spellbinders, there is the sweepstakes where you can win the advent calendars, 2 of them, and a brand new Platinum 6 die cut machine, which includes the universal plate system. Yay! No purchase necessary. So I will put a link just for the sweepstakes. Even before you go look at the BOGO sale, just enter your information. Okay, this is open to US and Canadian residents only. Then there is that colossal card making bundle. 7 huge card making kits for $100. You are averaging from a $60 card making kit down to $14.29 a kit. It's not even a deal, it's a steal. So if you love Spellbinders card making kits, that colossal card making kit, that's your huge deal. Alrighty, crafters, let's now get into this BOGO sale. Let's get started. First up, we have the Spellbinders It's BOGO time sale. Now, I'm going to try and explain as best as I can how the BOGO sale works, because to maximize this particular sale, that's why I'm doing this video. But I'm going to try and be crystal clear this time. You have to go into it strategically if you want to maximize the deals. And I think a lot of you out there want to maximize your deals. It is buy one, get one free. Everything in the BOGO sale is a select group of items at retail. I'm going to put a general link for the BOGO sale. I suggest you go page by page, but I am going to show you the notables because there are a lot of good notables and you might not want to miss some of the notables, including foundations. If you are picking things, and I like to split this BOGO sale, I'll do 2 purchases on it. One I call the high end. That probably should be where your focus is at for this sale, to maximize all those things in your wish list that you want to get, but now that I can get it buy one, get one free, oh, it's much more attractive. That's where I would put my focus. For the other items that are like under 20, I would do a second purchase. Embossing folders, maybe a smaller die set, I would do that as a second purchase. If you can't afford to do 2 purchases, put the lower end items in a wish list and address it at a later time. Now let's talk about these high-end items. What do I mean by high-end? Things that are $24.99, $26.99, $29.99, $40. When you add 2 items for the BOGO, I'm reading exactly what they say. The lowest priced eligible item in the cart will be flagged as the free item. Now let me give you an example. Okay, crafters, here's an example. These 3 items over here to the left are average rate $39.99 or $40 flat. Over here, these 3 items, average rate around $26.99. If you add these 3 plus these 3, you're going to pay $120 for this, and these are going to be your free items. It's not going to be $40 and then this one is free, 20 something, and this is free. No, it's going to be on your lower end items will be what you're going to get the free deal on. So I would do, if you wanted some higher end items, this is from BB's Hummingbird. Her whole BB's Hummingbird collection is on sale. There are 2 very large die sets, fabulous die sets, but they have a higher price point. And you're looking at Delicate Floral BB Hummingbird. You could get these 2 then. Buy one, get one free. Both of these are $39.99. This is Club Blooms, which always sells out. It's back in stock now. This retails at $40. If you were to get this and you wanted to add something else, I would add a large die of the month. And there's a few of them in this sale too. That would be $40 as well. That's how you would maximize this particular sale. So you have to find where your range is. When I do this BOGO sale, my max is right there in that $24.99, $26.99. So now we're going to talk about all the goodies. New collection that has gone on sale, which is available in this sale. Average rate, you're looking at $26.99 each. The Country Road collection by Annie Williams. Love. Stamp and die set. There is the Rustic Garden, Country Wheelbarrow, that's what you're seeing here, and the Garden Builder. All of this is now on sale. That's one of my examples from the Country Road collection. I was happy to see this one. This is the small die of the month, and this is called the Flyby Greetings. This one retails for $27. You could add one of the Annie Williams here, plus that. Done. So whatever you have in your wish list, check your wish list, but maximize your deal. Now, if you were to go in these $20 ones and then you add an embossing folder, you're now going to be getting that as free, and then you're going to be paying full price for these higher end ones, these $20-something ones, okay? Up next, Simon Hurley's Photosynthesis collection. This is on sale, and I'll put a link for the whole collection. There's the florals, the vases, and the glimmer. The must-have sentiments glimmer hot foil plate. Oh, this is a winner. This comes in at $23.99, and over here these average at $29.99. Okay, what a great deal, and makes beautiful cards. Has that look of floral but lifelike too at the same time. Winning little set here by Simon Hurley. So that's the Photosynthesis collection. Up next, an all year round foundation die with this Hexy Gems. Hexy Gems collection is on sale, but I really love this essential Hexy Gem dies. Whether you're in Halloween, you can also change up the colorway, Christmas. Here, this is all year round, and also this one too. So you can use it for birthday cards, any occasion cards. This Hexy Gem style also works for masculine cards as well. You're looking at $24.99 for this. But in the Hexy Gems collection, we also have the Hexy Gems Sentiments Hot Foil Plate. This is a fabulous hot foil plate for your glimmer machine. Talk about getting tons of sentiments and using up only one sheet of cardstock. I believe it's 6 sets you can make with this. Here it is right there. Hello, friend. That is the better press version of this style too. I'll put the name here on the screen. My mind is going blank right now. So Hexy Gems on sale. If you've been wanting either one, this might be the time. Here's another combination. You might think like, how would that work together? But these two die sets are really fabulous. Club Blooms, which is $40. Stitch Numbers, this is $34.99. Here is a combination of Club Blooms and the Stitch Numbers. Here's another card with stitch numbers. This is with stitching. This is without stitching. Come on. Love, love. And then, of course, you can use Club Blooms by itself. So these two are notables. It's probably been in your wish list, both of them. I love the numbers because you also get the shadow. Love that. But I love the combination of the number with the florals. Different styles of florals too, and it still works. Another favorite that I always tell you guys about with these wonderful steals and deal sales, the entire Postage Edge collection is in stock now, BOGO. So you know, in the last few sales, I've told you, this gem has not been in stock. Postage Edge rectangles. How many times have I used Postage Edge rectangles? Recently. This is Better Press Christmas collection. There you go. This is with a clear stamp of the month. It's a great foundation, and it has been sold out. It's back in stock. It retails for $26.99. If you've been wanting some of these Postage Edge in the last sale, I believe it was the circle and the square, maybe this time. This wasn't in a recent sale, so you could get Postage Edge ovals, there you go, and the rectangles. 2 thumbs up. So the entire Postage Edge collection is back in stock, and this one has been a hard sellout. Let me also put a little sidebar in here. You're on a tight budget. You've been seeing me use this, talk about this. You're like, it's in my wish list. I would really want it. Just get these two and you're done. Or this and something else within this range and you're done. If you stay within this price range, shipping under $30 is like around 5 something. I bought something at around $30 recently, so I know it is in the $5 range. Once you go into like 40 something, 50 on up, that's when your shipping changes. Once you reach 100, free shipping. So if you want to get free shipping, but you're like, Suzanne, I own a lot of these items already, but you've been wanting this, then you add this, the freebie, and maybe some of the new items from the new collection. Gnome Drive, Dancing Halloween, Better Press Christmas, etc. And build it up that way. In your cart, you will see your item, and then you'll see the one that says free, and then everything else. Or cardstock. That can add up quickly too, because I have a lot of cardstock in my cart right now. In different colors, and I'm like, okay, I'm already at 100. But there's 1 or 2 things in this sale too that I have in my cart. Okay? So that's another way to maximize it. But I am so happy that Postage Edge is back in stock, because you guys know I just keep using it. This is from the June Kit Club. Here, that's the circle. But I am just over the moon happy. So if you guys are like, I want that Postage Edge rectangle, and you're seeing it over and over again, it is back and part of this BOGO sale. 2 thumbs up again. Up next, foundation sets that I have been using lately to make frames. You can use this to make like a shaker, layering, etc. These are precision layering A2, A and B, 16 dies each. This is on sale, $24.99 each. BOGO, you're looking at around $12.50. Hello. Also, 5x7 matting basics A and B. Love this set too, especially if you make 5x7 cards. This is a winner. I even use the 5x7 here, but it does work even in the smaller sizes as a layering frame. Just have fun with these sets. So in this sale, this is a great deal for precision layering A and B for the A2 and the matting basics 5x7. So I will be linking both of these because they just help you, again, finish your card. It gives you a starting place, and it works extremely well with a lot of this Better Press. So does Postage Edge with your Better Press. If you need a lot of masculine cards too, Postage Edge plus these frames are your go-to, okay? Alrighty. Deal. Love. I keep all my sets like in these scrapbook.com storage envelopes. I'll put a link for that because they keep you organized. This is Fluted Classics. All of them. The only one I saw in the BOGO sale is my favorite anyway. Fluted Classics rectangles. You're looking at $24.99. So you could do Fluted Classics. You could do this, and you're done. Now, if you are going to put in Club Blooms, $40 price range, and these are $24. Club Blooms and maybe one of BB's hummingbirds. These will be your free items, okay? You might want to even split it further. You'll notice too when you're doing the checkout, like, wait a second, my math, it's supposed to be a different way. So I like to maximize this sale. With this sale, I approach it with the high-end items, and then the items that are less, I put that for the next time. It's just like, it's okay. I'm going to maximize the real steal, which are your high ticket in the 20s and more items that you've been wanting, and now you can get them buy one, get one free. That's how I approach this sale. You don't have to do it, but it'll save you money. Also in the sale, I see Essential Arches and Essential Diamonds. These are in the 20s as well. 26 or 29. Okay, so you could add that too if you wish, if you've been wanting those. Alrighty, crafters. Let's move on from Spellbinders and this BOGO time. This is a great sale, and I love that they included the Country Road collection. Let's talk about scrapbook.com. Scrapbook.com is having a sale up to 60% off on their essentials, Plus, they added new items to their clearance. I'll put links for both. Next, Alex Siberia. This is a company over in Europe, but they have some beautiful sets, stamp, die, stencil. They have a sale now, 40% off select items. I will put a link for Alex Siberia, the store. You can take a look. And then I'll also put a direct link for that 40% off section, okay? Up next, Ellen Hudson. Ellen Hudson is closing her store. She says that she's having a retirement sale. Everything right now is marked. I think it's between 20 and 30% off. So just add it to your cart, no code needed, and take your time and shop. Things are selling out quickly. I will provide a link for Ellen Hudson and you can take a look at this retirement sale. Up next, Impression Obsession. I've told you guys about this sale for a while. It's still going on. The summer die sale. It's a select number of dies at 40% off at Impression Obsession. Go take a look. It's a wide range of awesome dies. I have bought some there myself. And lastly, Ranger is having a mystery stencil box. It's $63 worth of stencils coming in at $19.99. Okay, crafters, I just really wanted to come on and tell you about the BOGO sale and all the goodies in the BOGO sale. And I am still working on a lot of the new collections. I told you Spellbinders has 9 new collections. I have been listing those collections and then I said, click each collection and then look. You can create a wish list. That's the beauty of Spellbinders wish list. You could call it August collections and just put, just from August, all the goodies. If your wallet just can't take it right now, I've already had a few viewers say, Suzanne, I wish I could. Put what you wish in your August wish list. It's a lot. I know it's a lot. That's why I keep stressing 9 collections. Yeah. And don't forget the Colossal Card Making Kit. That's another one too. That's another huge steal. Alrighty, crafters. Everything will be detailed and linked below. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.